Welcome to the iOBackup tutorials. I'll be taking you through the registration and installation process of iOBackup Express for LUS Fiber customers. Many of these steps apply to non-LUS Fiber customers, but I'll cover a standard registration and installation in another tutorial. We are always trying to create a better user experience while also providing the best customer support. With that, this process may change over time. The following is the current process associated with the early 2012 version of iOBackup Express for LUS Fiber customers. When we update the registration and installation process, we will update this tutorial as well as the online instructions and resources. So let's get started. The registration has two parts. The first part is to register for support and verification of your LUS Fiber account. The second part is to register for the iOBackup application. To get to the registration page, go to skyscraperdatasolutions.com and click on Register, which is near the upper right part of the page. Fill out the information on this page, making sure to fill in the fields with the yellow exclamation point next to them. Hover your cursor over the blue eye symbol to give you more information about the corresponding field. A couple notes about this page. Make sure to set the drop-down menu of the first question to LUS Fiber, and make sure to use your LUS Fiber email address in the email field. This will ensure that you get the proper coupon code for iOBackup. Also, do not use any spaces or punctuation in your username, and make sure your password is at least 6 characters long. When you are finished, click on the Register button. You will receive an email confirming your registration, along with a coupon code and instructions on how to get your copy of iOBackup Express. In Step 1, click on the link that takes you to the iOBackup Express software registration page. You will see that this is for the LUS version of iOBackup Express. Enter the coupon code provided in the email and click Update. You'll see that the balance is $0. Fill in the rest of the form, making sure to fill in any field with an asterisk next to it. Again, no spaces or punctuation in the username. Password should be at least 6 characters long. Use your LUS Fiber email address, and do not use any dashes or spaces when filling out your phone number. When you are done filling out the fields, read through the end user agreement, which isn't terribly long, and click the Accept button. Wait a moment or so for the installer application to be created, and click on Download when prompted. Depending on your operating system, browser, and preferences, you should receive a prompt from your browser asking you what to do with the file. I tend to click Save and make sure it goes to the Downloads folder. When it is done downloading, which should be rather quick on your fiber connection, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on it to run it. During this installation process, a window will pop up asking you to select an encryption type and generate a key. Go ahead and do that. If you don't see this window appear and it seems that the installer has gotten hung up, don't worry. It's just that the Generate Key window got tucked behind the title window. Just click on it to bring it forward. Next, the installer will ask you if you want to save a copy of the key. We highly recommend that you save these files to a secure storage device, like a thumb drive that you keep in a safe, or in a password-protected zip file on an external hard drive. We also recommend that you print the form containing your iOBackup account information and encryption key. One final step: restart your computer. iOBackup will not run a backup until you perform a restart. Once your computer has booted back up, open iOBackup, create a backup set, and start backing up your data. These next steps are discussed in other tutorials. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, please visit skyscraperdatasolutions.com.